Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. Boyan Dulabic here. So, are you looking for some tiny fill lights for your gimbal that you can easily detach and attach? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the usual housekeeping before we move on. These lights were sent to me by the company for this review free of charge. However, as always, they have no influence on this video. They're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, and also just a quick thing, I am using those lights right now for myself. So I have two of them on top of my camera. They're stacked at full brightness, and that's the only thing that's lighting me. Obviously, I've got my RGB lights behind me, but that's the only thing that's lighting my face right now. So, there's that.
These are the Magnetic Fill Lights by Fotorgear, with a magnetic quick release design for easy use. They are tiny lights that can be easily attached to your gimbal via the included magnetic add-ons. They are small enough that your gimbal will still be able to move around without bumping into them. It fits 98% of stabilizers, including the DJI OM series, Zhiyun, and other brands. On the back of each light, you can adjust the brightness and color temperature, ranging from 2500K all the way up to 6000K. It has 10 brightness levels, and here is the lowest setting, and here is the strongest setting. Another thing that makes these lights great, in my opinion, is the fact that you can place them in lots of tiny spaces and get that extra illumination when needed. Now let's see what comes in the box. Each light comes in its own box, and inside you get the light itself, a USB charging cable to charge the light, a bracket to attach it to your gimbal, various magnetic strips to mount it to various surfaces, and the manual. There's also a charging box that can charge two lights at the same time. Just open it up and place the lights inside. On the front, you will see a light indicator showing how much internal battery is left. And there's also a USB-C plug to charge the case itself. Now let's take a look at the hardware. As mentioned, there are several buttons on the back of each light. You have the on-off button, a plus and minus button to change brightness, and a plus and minus button to change color temperature, which can go from tungsten all the way to daylight. This is how you attach the bracket for your gimbal, and how you attach the magnetic strips for various surfaces.
So, as you can see, these lights are pretty sweet. Now, first of all, do they do what they're supposed to do? Yeah. They're tiny lights. Check. Works. They can be easily attached to really anything. I mean, with the magnetic attachments that come with it, you can really put them anywhere. Obviously on a gimbal, obviously really anywhere. And that's what I find very, very cool. The fact that they're so tiny that you can put them in literally any little corner and get, things lit up. That's what I find very cool, and I'm definitely going to keep using them for those purposes, which I think they work very well. The only thing, I wish they were RGB. Now, I get it. It's fine, but that's really the only thing I wish that they were. Aside from that, I mean, it can be easier to use. You saw it, you got the on-off button, you got your strength button up and down, and you've got your tungsten or daylight buttons, and that's it. So easy peasy to use, quick. The case is awesome. The fact that you can just put it in, it charges it up. Excellent. I think they're great. I think this is one of those things that works for really anyone, whether you want to use them on a gimbal or whether you just want to use them for your product shots or just hide them somewhere. Whatever the case is, I think they're cool. So that's that, guys. Check the links for everything in the description. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.
Color grading and film emulation in this video was done using Dehancer Pro. Use promo code FILMMAKINGTODAY and get 10% off any of their software. See link in the description.